Welcome everyone. Today's video is for classes 3rd to 7th students. I am going to take a grammar topic that is articles. I will tell you where to use a, an or the, and I will also tell you where not to use the articles. So children, listen carefully and see the full video. Children, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you are able to get the notification of my videos. Children, now we start with the topic. What is an article? An article is a word that comes before a noun to tell whether it is general or specific. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite article is the sun, the girl in blue, the earth, the moon, and a and an, a man and our. Now, firstly, we start with definite articles. When the object is unique, we use the with that. The earth, the sky, the equator, the Ramayana, the Taj Mahal, the Ganges, the Yamuna. And second is when the noun is mentioned for the second time. I met a stranger. The stranger was very nice to me. In the first sentence, I used a with the stranger. But when I am talking about that man for the second time, I will use the with stranger. And next is before a noun made definite by adding a phrase. The boy whom I met, that particular boy whom I met was a police officer. Next is before the superlative degrees, also we use the. Arav is the most intelligent boy. He is the most honest boy. This is the coolest place. The is used before superlative degrees. Next is before the names of the seas, rivers, chains of mountains, groups of islands, and plural names of countries. The Atlantic, the Ganges, the Himalayas, the United States of America. When we refer to particular time, that time also we use definite article. I met him in the evening. The is used before comparatives when used as adverbs. The more you work, the better you will score. Next is before the names of trains and ship. The Titanic, the train, the Vande Bharat. The Vande Bharat is a very fast train. The Titanic sank many years back. Next is it is used before adjectives to use them as nouns. The old is the adjective, but here it is used as a noun. The old should be respected. We should help the poor. Children, poor and old, they both are adjectives, but here they are used as nouns. Now children, we come to indefinite article, that is a and an. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sound. A man, a European. Ya sound is of a consonant. Though E is used, vowel is used, but sound is not of a vowel, sound is of a consonant. My sister teaches at a university, again the same thing, sound of a vowel, consonant. I saw a one-eyed man. Now, an. An is used before words which begin with a vowel sound. She went to school carrying an umbrella. Next is, we use a or an before the names of occupations and professions. My sister is a dancer. Kit is an engineer. Again, next is used with exclamations. What a beautiful garden, what a beautiful scenery it is. Oh, it's such a long queue. Now children, we come to very important part where we should not use an article. We should not use an articles before a proper noun, before the names. Rahul, Rachit, Meenal, etc. Agrim ate the whole cake. This is an example. I am not using an article before Agrim. Second is before abstract nouns. Wisdom, honesty, bravery. The president enlightened the audience with his words of wisdom. No article before wisdom. Third is before uncountable nouns, sugar, milk, furniture, etc. I am buying new furniture. No article before furniture. For my new house. We should not use article before material nouns, cement, wood, gold, etc. Diamond is a precious metal. No article before diamond. We should not use it before languages, before English, Japanese, Hindi, French, German, etc. English is a global language. No article before English. We should not use it before the names of subjects, economics, mathematics, English, etc. Economics is my favorite subject. And it is not used before the names of months, days, festivals, and seasons. January, summer, Sunday. Example, spring is the best season of all. No article before spring. We do not use an article before a plural noun that is used to denote a class. Plants are very useful to us. Books are our best friends. Now, children, we come to another important thing, where we should repeat the article and where we should not repeat an article. When two adjectives qualify the same noun, the article is used only before the first adjective. I have a red and black bag. One bag only. Red and black bag. So, we are not using A with black again. Next is, when two adjectives qualify different nouns or things, the article is used before each adjective. I have a red and a black bag. Means the person has two bags. One is red, other is black. In the first sentence, person has only one bag. That is of red and black color. But in second one, person has two bags. So, we will use an article A with both, with red as well as black. I hope, children, topic is clear to you. Where to use A and or the and where not to use the articles. And where to repeat and where not to repeat the articles. And now, here is an exercise for you all. There are 10 sentences. You can read, solve it, and then you can match your answers. Children, I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. मेरी इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर करिए. Thanks for watching.